Hello my gorgeous people, how are you? I'm doing great. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Well, today we're doing something new, and I did say in my last couple of videos that I was going to show you how to do lashes, individual lashes. I got these little lashes right here off of Amazon. I promise you guys, I will link this down below. I keep saying that and then I keep forgetting, but I'm gonna link this down below. These are 12 to 16 mm mix lashes. So up here it says lower eyelid, and then it has 12 mm, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using the 16 on the ends, and then I'm gonna go smaller on the inner eyes. So this is going to be my second attempt of me trying to do this, but let me tell you guys, this lashes last me for 2 weeks and I'm in love. So I said why not and teach you guys how to do it so you guys can have beautiful lashes for 2 weeks, and if you keep practicing then you can keep wearing it, and 2 weeks is not bad at all. What I'm going to use is eyelash glue, and this is in dark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this little container up. I'm going to put the lash glue right here because it's easier for me to stick it in my lash while the lash glue is in here. And I also got this lash glue also on Amazon for very cheap, I think like $6. But anyways, I'm going to place it right here, just a little bit like that. I don't know if you guys see a little drop. I'm gonna let that get a little tacky and dry. I'm gonna try to do one eye on camera and then I do the other eye off camera because it's gonna be a long process, and then I'm gonna speed it up too. So I have the glue right here just sitting here, and then I'm gonna use these tweezers. Let me see if you guys can see it. You see these little tweezers right here. I love the little pointy one. You can use this one or you can use these tweezers right here, the flat one, but I for me personally, I like the little tweezers like this. The little pointy tweezers is easy to grab and place it on your lid. And if I was you guys, what I would do is I would just grab all the 16 first and just place it in here, so like that we don't have to keep wasting time. So I'm gonna just pull them out and put them in this little plastic tray just so it can be easy for me to put it on my eye. So I think personally what I'm going to be using, it's going to be 16 and maybe a little bit of the 15, and then on the inner corner right here I'm probably going to use 13 because they're smaller. What I'm going to do is I'm going to place it underneath. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the hair, the little lashes underneath right here so it looks like it's growing out. So I'm going to grab another one, put a little bit of the glue, just like that. It's gonna look a little weird and nasty, so don't mind my eyeballs. And then I'm just gonna place it right here. You see that? And then fluff it back. Just like that. There you go. You can't really tell right now, but it's gonna look pretty. And we're just gonna keep on the process. Grab it again, put a little bit of the glue, and then do it again. And then tap it. Now I have 3 little lashes on the side. You see that, guys? Love this technique, and especially because it lasts so long. And if you don't touch it or play with it, it will last even longer. But I mean, the process is a little long because you have to sit there and do it on yourself, but it's worth it. So I'm gonna keep going. So this is the third one. Lashes right here. You see that? And it's better when the glue is a little tacky and is getting a little tacky and dry. It's so much better because then it's easy to place the lashes on your eyelids. So easy. So we're gonna keep on with the process, but all you gotta do is where you see the hair growing, that's where you place it. And I love this technique because it looks so natural. So I'm gonna do this eye so you can see the difference from this eye and this eye. So I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna do it again. Follow the natural hair where it's growing. Pull this up. Lift it, tap it, and bada boom. And I'm not trying to manipulate it right now because when it dries up, then I'm going to use this little Foolie and I'm just gonna brush it up. So we're gonna keep on with the process. So I think right now it's my fourth hair and I'm still using the 16 millimeters. But it's hard recording and putting it together. It's hard to record and try to like so you guys can see it, but I mean it's looking pretty. I'm gonna speed it up until I do the 14 millimeters.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
All right. So far it's looking good. So now what I'm gonna do is now I already completed the 16 millimeters right here. So now what I'm going to use is the 15, and that's a little smaller. That's the next number down, and I'm going to use it. I'm going to put like 2 more on that side. So we're almost done this eye. Put a little bit of glue. See it if I don't come even closer. Alright, that's the 15. But it looking so pretty. Like it looks so natural, but it just looks long and beautiful. So now I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to do one more of the 15. I'm still not a professional, guys. This is the second time me trying this, and I'm like getting better every time I do it. The first time I did this, it took me a little bit to do it, but just practice makes perfect. So I'm gonna do the other one. Stick it up. There you go. I love it so far. It looks so beautiful. So this is the lashes with it and nothing. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now put, I'm not going to use the 14. I'm going to use a little smaller, and I'm going to use the 13 of the millimeters. So I'm going to use the 13. Put some in here. Put the little glue, and now stick it on the lash line. go. And now I'm going to use number 12. So make sure whatever you use on this eye, you use on the other eye. But everything is counted here. When you see it, it's like I know which one, how many to pick on the other eye. But if I was you, just do one eye, then do the other. One eye and do the other, just so it'll look even. But now I'm going to use 13 millimeters. All right guys, so I have this lash on and I haven't done this one yet, but I just wanted you to see the difference. But like I said guys, you just place it little by little underneath the lashes where it grows, so it looks more natural. You can even put it on top of it, but I like it like this because I feel like it lasts a little longer. But I'm going to complete the other eye so you guys can see how it really looks. But I love it because it just makes my eyes look so natural, but it has a little bit of flare, long beautiful lashes. But like I said guys, you just got to keep practicing. I'm gonna let it dry though, so then I can like brush it up. I don't want to like touch it right now because if the glue is still wet. But I'm gonna do the other eye, and whatever you do on the first eye, you do on your last. Alrighty guys, so this is the final result. I love it. Yeah, so you guys see the difference. It's so beautiful, and I'm not gonna say it's easy because you need a lot more practice. I still need a lot more practice. I am not professional. It took me a long time to figure this out, but guys, if you try and you practice, I think that you guys will enjoy this type of technique. But this is what I got. But now since it's already dried up, I'm going to use a Fully right here, a brush, and I'm just going to brush it. I want to be careful because I don't know if it's dry, but I'm just going to brush it. I'm going to be careful with this one because this one I already just did it. But yeah, there you go guys. I brushed it and it looks amazing. Like, it looks so beautiful. I'm loving this technique and I'm going to keep practicing. I'm going to keep doing this just so I can get better. I'm in love with these lashes, and like I said, it lasts for 2 weeks, and it can last either for 3 weeks if I don't keep touching them or playing with them, like, you know what I mean, like fluffing them around. But I hope you guys enjoy this, and until my next video guys, bye bye.